All right, we're going to begin this hour with another likely criminal investigation of a prominent critic of President Trump. This time it's Democratic Congressman Eric Swalwell of California. He faces a Justice Department probe. It was announced on the very same day that lawyers for two other Trump critics were back in court arguing their criminal indictments should be dismissed. Scott McFarland is covering it all for us, as he has for a while now. Scott, good morning.
Hey, Tony, good morning. A Trump administration housing official is making the same type of allegation against Congressman Swalwell that the administration has made against other political critics of the president, questioning whether the California Democrat engaged in fraud in securing a home mortgage in Washington, D.C., and they have formally asked the Department of Justice to investigate it. Swalwell, who served as an impeachment manager against Trump in his first term, denied any wrongdoing, and he blasted the accusations as politically motivated, saying, "The only thing I'm surprised about is that it took him this long to come after me." It's common for members of Congress to have two homes, but what's not common and raises the question of political targeting is for housing officials to pull mortgage records and refer them for federal investigation. A recommendation for a prosecution does not mean Swalwell will be prosecuted, but this is the same type of allegation the administration has made against another impeachment manager, that man, Senator Adam Schiff of California, who's currently under investigation, as well as New York Attorney General Letitia James, who was charged last month and had previously sued Trump for fraud. Both have denied any wrongdoing, Gayle.
Yeah, to be continued for sure. So, Scott, I know you were in the courthouse yesterday. That's when the New York Attorney General's defense lawyers then asked the judge to throw out the case against her. So where does that stand with
both
Letitia?
Letitia James and former FBI Director James Comey, both of whom are facing federal charges, both of whom have pleaded not guilty, argued to get their cases dismissed Thursday. They say the prosecutor who secured each of their indictments was not lawfully appointed. That prosecutor is former White House aide Lindsay Halligan. She was given the role after the U.S. attorney in Virginia declined to move ahead with the cases against Comey and James and was ousted. The judge said she'll make a ruling on whether to dismiss those cases by Thanksgiving.
Well, Thanksgiving is creeping up next week. Thank you very much, Scott.